In this quick look app review, we're going to be taking a quick walk through cuteBox. Now, cuteBox is a third-party client for the Dropbox service. For those that don't know, Dropbox is a way of storing your files on the internet, or it's effectively a file storage system for the cloud. The big benefit really of Dropbox is that it's available for multiple devices, multiple platforms, and so you can easily share your files back and forth. On the PC, there's the possibility to download files automatically, have things stay in sync. On the mobile devices, it tends to be to access and upload files only. Now you can see here I've dropped into one of the photo folders, Echo in this case, and you can see it would automatically download the file here when I want it to. You can see the picture appears there. This icon here lets you open up the file. We'll just show that. Obviously it depends on whether there's an application available for opening it up. In this case it's a photo, so there is, but for things like document files you can have Quick Office installed and that will work fine. Just swiping back and forth here, you can see that's how you go through the various files. Now you can also download in another way, and I'll show you that here, and that's using this button down the bottom on this toolbar, and it'll ask you to select which files you want to download. So this allows you to download multiple files at the same time. When they're downloaded, the files will be stored on your memory card, generally in a folder called cuteBox, although that's configurable in the settings here, as we'll see here. You can see the download location there. It can be changed if you wish. We'll do that now. There's also the ability to forget the account, which is useful if you've got multiple Dropbox accounts. Then in terms of actually adding files to Dropbox, this is again quite easy. There's this plus button here. It will then give you an option of what you want to upload. You can create a new folder. You can audio clips, pictures, videos. So if we take the example of pictures, this will then give us any kind of image to set. You see I've got a whole bunch of screenshots here, so let's just select one of those. OK. Do we want to upload that? Yes we do. We can see it being uploaded there. Refreshes, and there you can see the screenshot we just uploaded in the thumbnail gets automatically generated. In terms of uploading other files, that's also very easy. You can see if we go into local files, you've got complete access to the file system, and you can just choose which file you want to upload. As you can see, you can select multiple files at the same time. Kick that off and it will upload 2 files to Dropbox and give you a progress bar. One of the nice things is you can actually keep using the application in the background. So there we go, that's sort of summarising the upload features. Now there are some other actions that you can also do on these files. You can see if you bring these up, it's about moving them about, deleting them, and that's all fairly self-explanatory. So there we go, that's a Dropbox client for Symbian 3 devices. It's available in the Ovi store. It costs £1.50 or $2, which I think, given that this is a very good implementation of Dropbox on a mobile device, is a reasonable price to pay. Now Dropbox works best really if you're using it across multiple devices, but even just as a way of quickly getting at files on your phone, it can be quite useful. I just want to show you an example here in this sysfile folder, which I actually use for keeping sys files that I might regularly want to install onto a phone, things like the Qt runtimes, as well as VoIP settings and the screenshot application. So there are more than just the sort of syncing files back and forth between the desktop. But as I say, this is a good implementation of Dropbox. It's been nicely implemented. Obviously it's using Qt, so we can see the performance is pretty good. And for those that want to have sort of cloud access to file storage, this is one of the options that is available. If you're looking for an alternative, try SugarSync. That's available for free. In both services you actually get a certain amount of free space, so you can get up and running very quickly. The Symbian platform does also support WebDAV, and there are a number of services that allow you to use that, and that can be integrated into the file manager itself. But I have to say, having used both options, I think SugarSync or Dropbox, particularly with this Qt Dropbox application, are probably the best solution for having sort of cloud-based file storage and access from a Symbian device. So there we go, complete run through of the cuteBox application on this the Nokia C7. It is also available for the other Symbian 3 devices. That's the N8, the C601, the E7, the E6 and the X7.